guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these eyebrows right here. I tried to make this video easy for beginners. I show you step by step exactly how I do my eyebrows. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also share this video if you liked it. So if you would like to see how I do it, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how to get nice eyebrows. All you'll need is a pomade. Through the years, I learned how to do my eyebrows with a pomade, a pencil, and a powder. And I found that the easiest product to use for beginners is a pomade. Today, I'm going to use a very inexpensive product, which is the Covergirl pomade. I think it's easy, breezy, something. But yeah, it's super tiny. You get the little hole, super tiny. And then it does come with a brush. And I actually love this brush because... Hold on. The brushes I like to use are the super thin one, especially to outline the eyebrows. The other ones I use are these right here, but the only one I use when I use a pomade is the Anastasia one. And you can tell this one's very thin compared to the other brushes that I use for powders. But today I will be using the tiny one that comes with the pomade, and let me just start. So you can see that my eyebrows, my natural eyebrows, aren't that nice. So I dipped the brush into the pomade, and before I applied it on my eyebrows, I like to take the excess off on the back of my hand. That way I don't start with a lot of product. It can get very messy. I start by outlining the bottom of my eyebrows. I used to start at the very beginning of the eyebrows, but I don't do that anymore. Now this part is kind of important because it helps you get the shape you want, whether it's pointy, curvy, straight, whatever you want. I used to say to always follow the outline of your natural eyebrows from the bottom, but I don't like mine. I bring it down just a little bit lower, right on this part right here. And now when it comes to the tail, I honestly don't really care about that part right now because it always comes out messy anyways, so I clean that up with concealer later. And same goes with the top of your eyebrow, and it's important to follow the outline from the bottom of your eyebrow. If you made it curvy, you have to make the top curvy because you don't want the bottom to be sharp and the top to be curvy. That's just gonna look weird. And like I said, I don't like my natural eyebrows, so on the curve, I also overline it just a little bit so it can be a bit thicker. And you also do not want to start all the way from the beginning of your eyebrows. Okay, now that you have it outlined, step number 2 would be to fill it in. I like to start on the tail of the eyebrow. I get a little bit of the pomade and start filling that in. For this, I normally dip the brush into the pomade just once, start filling it in on the tail, and then work my way towards the beginning of the eyebrow. And obviously, as you move closer and closer, you don't have a lot of product on the brush, which is good because you don't want a lot, like you don't want the whole eyebrow to be very dark. And now for this part right here, it's also important and very easy to do. I get the spoolie and just start brushing. By doing this, you're getting some of the product with the brush and kind of dragging it towards the front, and you'll also be blending out the line. And I like to use the very tip of the brush. And now the best part, step number 3, is to clean the eyebrows with a concealer. It's always a lifesaver. My eyebrows never come out perfect just by using the pomade. I always have to use a concealer. So I'm going to use the Covergirl concealer and the Real Techniques detailer brush. This will help define your brows and make them look nice and crispy. And you just clean off any mistakes you made, like on the tail of the brow. You can also make it very thin and sharp. That's where I like to focus more when I clean my eyebrows, is the tail of the brow. Now I don't always clean the top of my eyebrows, but when I do, I only do the tail of the brow, but I only use just a little bit of the concealer. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you like these brows? Was this video easy for you guys? Just leave any comments down below. I really hope this video was easy for you guys. If you have any other... Damn it, Bella. If you have any other video requests, just let me know in the comments below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!